this is the photo that officials actually shared, listing a number of issues that were found inside the pipe. Emergency repairs are starting next week to prevent future leaks.
Our Rebecca Turco is joining us live in Potomac, Maryland at Muddy Branch near Pennyfield Lock. So, Rebecca, what did inspectors find out there?
They found that part of the pipe here is actually deteriorating, so they're calling these repairs that they're going to be doing risk mitigation. Crews are clearing out brush in the woods of Muddy Branch by the Potomac, making a path to part of the pipe that needs emergency repairs. The chief operating officer of DC Water says they've found corroded pipe and exposed rebar there, and along 3 other sections of the Potomac Interceptor.
Based on the inspections, we're taking it seriously. We want to address the emergency condition, and then there's a longer-term repair there.
Crews have been re-inspecting the entire 54-mile pipe in the months after the massive sewer spill that dumped about 250 million gallons of wastewater into the Potomac.
It's a robot that goes through the sewer, takes not only CCTV, so visual inspection, as well as uses laser and sonar data in order to understand the thickness of the pipe. As that data comes back, we've been processing it.
Matthew Brown says they've been noting areas to be addressed. Here at Muddy Branch, they'll be rehabbing about 1,700 feet of the interceptor. Matt says there's no breaks to the line and no impacts to drinking water quality.
Sewer gases corrode pipes, and pipes that are corroded sometimes fail. And so we're being proactive in this area, trying to make sure that we can get to these pipes before there are any issues.
And that's such a big deal because this corroded spot sits upstream from where the district gets its fresh water. A break here could send sewage into that intake. It's a vulnerability to our drinking water system. DC Water, meanwhile, just broke ground on a new water facility that focuses on purifying water so it can be safely reused.
So I know sometimes it's uncomfortable to talk about the fact that we have this single source as vulnerability, but I think actually because we were brave and bold enough to start talking about it is why we actually see us taking action today.
So the big work is going to begin here and at 3 other locations impacted starting Monday. They're going to start with those emergency repairs first, then they're going to work on longer term efforts. So all of that could take several months. It's expected to take through the end of September at this point. Scott?
Yeah, indicating what a big project it is. Rebecca, that pipe that you're near right now, how much sewage does that carry?
We'll get this. On an average typical dry day, so maybe not like today, an average 6 million gallons of wastewater, and it's actually connected to the main trunk of the interceptor, so that's part of the reason why. But again, to be clear, at this point we are told there are no breaks to the line here and there are no impacts to water quality. All of this work that they're going to be doing is to make sure things stay that way. We're live in Potomac. Rebecca Turco, 7 News.
And let's hope they do. All right, Rebecca, thank you. Just last week, DC Water also announced a big leadership change. The board of directors agreed to separate from current CEO David Gaddis. Now, he joined the agency back in 2018, and last month he testified on Capitol Hill over the handling of the Potomac sewage spill. And as rehabilitation continues on the Potomac Interceptor, there is a $25 million new effort to find a backup water supply for the D.C. area. WSSC, Fairfax Water, and the Washington Aqueduct serves 5 million customers, and now they're all working to secure the source in a study, that's what they're calling it, to ensure that there are no disruptions if there are long-term issues in the Potomac River.